Hello, my dear students of class 10th. How are you? Are you happy, well, and healthy? Yes, we hope so to you. God blessings, God showers blessings to you. Are you preparing the lesson? And did you understand all the portion we have studied from the lesson at the high school? So in our previous classes, we have studied the lesson at the high school. The major portions of the lessons had already been taught. But the lesson, teaching of the lesson is not already completed. Okay. So, for you, you know that in our previous classes, we were on the topic at the high school, and you know vividly we had explained you from the very beginning that this lesson at the high school is an extract of Gandhiji's autobiography, My Experiment with Truth. So, My Experiment with Truth, this is written by M.K. Gandhi, and his, biography of a person written by the same person, that is called the autobiography. And My Experiments with Truth is an autobiography of Gandhiji, and at the high school is an extract of that particular book, and it belongs to the fifth chapter of his autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. Okay, then come to the paragraph, last paragraph of page number 30. So, only 2 paragraphs are to be studied, 2 paragraphs we have to teach you, and that is at page 30, last paragraph, page 30. So, this book, Skills of Communicative English, you should have book, open at page 30 and look at your book very carefully. We shall read the paragraph line by line, and you can also read it silently with me, because reading is also a skill. Reading is also a skill, writing like our listening, and your writing, listening, writing, speaking. These are the linguistic skills. So that you must read the book very clearly with correct pronunciation. I am reading the book paragraph line by line. We shall explain you both in Odia and English, and hope that you must understand it. Okay, be ready with your English copy. Sanskrit, however, proved a harder task. In geometry, there was nothing to memorize, whereas in Sanskrit, I thought everything had to be learned by heart. This subject was also commenced from the 4th standard. As soon as I entered the 6th, I became disheartened. The teacher was a hard taskmaster, anxious, as I thought, to forestall the boys. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. The Persian teacher was lenient. Yes, come to the first line of the paragraph. Sanskrit, however, proved as a harder task. That means Gandhiji was very afraid of Sanskrit. He did not want to study Sanskrit, he did not want to read Sanskrit, because in his autobiography, he has stated that Sanskrit was a harder task for me. Always Gandhiji disliked Sanskrit in his student's career. So that he said, Sanskrit, however, proved a harder task. In geometry, there was nothing to memorize. But he loved. In previously we have already read that arithmetic, geometry, all the mathematics, arithmetic was his also favorite subject. He likes it very much. So nothing to memorize. Nothing to memorize means nothing to remember in geometry. Whereas in Sanskrit, I thought everything had to be learned by heart. Everything shall be learned by heart in the subject Sanskrit. Gandhiji said it. By heart means from memory. From memory. That means memorize the rules of the grammar of Sanskrit. Memorize the different types of words of the Sanskrit vividly. That means bits by bit. One must memorize. And memorization was a difficult task for Gandhiji. Memorization, mugging up a thing, mugging up a subject was very difficult to Gandhiji. He admitted it in his autobiography. I thought everything had to be learned by heart. By heart? Tikiniki, mone rakhibaku hue. He knows the poem by heart means he knows the poem by heart. That means he recites it. He remembered the poem. He remembered the poem. Totally he remembered the poem. Like this. This subject was also commenced from the 4th standard. This subject means Sanskrit. At the time of Gandhiji, Sanskrit subject was commenced from which standard? From 4th standard. Chaturtha Shreniru. Gandhiji had to study the subject Sanskrit from class 4th. As soon as I entered the 6th, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଷଷ୍ଠ ଶ୍ରେଣୀକୁ ସେ ପ୍ରବେଶ କଲେ, as soon as I went to class 6, I became disheartened. I became disheartened means became disheartened. That is written on the screen. You can understand it clearly. What do you mean by became disheartened? Became disheartened means lost courage or hope. Lose courage. Become disheartened, lose courage or hope. Became disheartened, lost courage or hope. That means became hopeless. Became hopeless. I became hopeless, I became disheartened. The teacher was a hard taskmaster, anxious as I thought to force the boys. The teacher was a hard taskmaster. Which teacher? Which teacher? क्यों शिक्षक विषय गांधीजी एठारे कहउचंती? Which teacher? That means Sanskrit teacher. The Sanskrit teacher was a hard taskmaster. He was a very strict person. Gandhiji was very afraid of him. Okay? And most of the students said that he was anxious, and also I thought to force the boys. He forced the boys. That means he persuaded the boys, persuaded the students that you should take the Sanskrit, you should study Sanskrit, you should learn Sanskrit. Sanskrit is a very good subject, it is a holy or sacred subject. You have to learn so many things in future. This is a religious language. Sanskrit is the language of God and goddesses. That means the Sanskrit teacher persuaded the students, forced the students to learn his subject Sanskrit. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. A sort of rivalry. Sort of means kind of. A sort of means kind of. A type of rivalry Rivalry, you know, there is a Odia word in your language, in your mother tongue, pratidvandita. So rivalry means competition for the same thing. Written on the screen, you should note it. Rivalry means competitions for the same thing. ପ୍ରତିଦ୍ୱନ୍ଦିତା କରିବା ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷରେ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତା ଭଳିଆ କରିବାଟା, that is rivalry. It is a noun word. Going on, rivalry କାହା ମଧ୍ୟରେ ହେଉଥିଲା? rivalry between ମଧ୍ୟରେ the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. Both Sanskrit teachers and Persian teachers, there was a rivalry. There was a type of competition. Persian teachers, that means persuade the students to study, to learn, that means the Parsi language. Okay. And Sanskrit teacher was, that means advocated, Sanskrit teachers was pleaded in favor of his subject. Okay. There was a sort of rivalry going on between the Sanskrit and the Persian teachers. The Persian teachers was lenient. Persian teacher lenient thile. What do you mean by lenient? Lenient means not strict, lenient. Of mild, a mild person, that means tolerant, ଯାହାର ସହନଶୀଳତା ଥାଏ, ଯେ ମାଇଲ୍ଡ ନେଚରର, ଯିଏ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ ନୁହନ୍ତି, କଡ଼ା ମିଜାଜର ନୁହନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଏ lenient. Persian teacher was lenient, but Sanskrit teacher was very strict. Okay? Yes, the boys used to talk among themselves that Persian was very easy and the Persian teacher was very good and considerate to the students. The boy used to talk ତାଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ students ମାନେ କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତି. Gandhiji also listened. Okay? Of course, Gandhiji did not participate in the talking of the students, but he heard, but he listened to the boys. ସେ ଶୁଣୁଥିଲେ. He listened to the boys, he listened to the students that Persian was very easy. Persian ଟା ବହୁତ easy. ମାନେ Persian ଟା ସହଜ, ଶିଖିବା ସହଜ, ପଢ଼ିବା ସହଜ. Persian was very easy in comparison to Sanskrit. Sanskrit is a very hard subject according to them. Okay? And the Persian teacher was very good. Not only Persian was a good subject or easy subject, but also the teacher was very good and considerate. Considerate means kind-hearted person. Kind-hearted person who consider the things, who has a capability, who has a capacity or ability to consider a thing. Okay, that is considerate. विचारवंत थिले, kind-hearted person थिले Persian teacher to the students, छात्र मानंक पाई. The easiness tempted me. ये जो easiness, what is the easiness? Inverted comma भितर लेखा अछि easiness. ये जो Persian टा बहुत सहज, संस्कृत टा बहुत कठिन. Persian सहज, संस्कृत कठिन. ये जो easiness टा, Persian रो easiness टा tempted me, that means provoked me to take the subjects. Persuaded me, that means as if somebody is convinced me to take the Persian subject, okay, instead of Sanskrit. So it was very easy, and the Persian, the easiness tempted me, and one day I sat in the Persian class. Tempted me. Tempted means provoked me. That means it persuaded me, insisted me that I decided I shall take the Persian subjects. And what happened? One day he went to the Persian class, entered the Persian class and sat and participated. ओके पार्सियन क्लास को जाई करी मु दिने बसी थिली सेठारे बसी थिली ओके the Sanskrit teacher was grieved. So when the Sanskrit teacher knew it, ଯେତେବେଳେ when the Sanskrit teacher came to know this fact, ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଟା ଜାଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲେ Sanskrit teacher was very grieved. Grieved means to cause to suffer. Grief, G-R-I-E-V-E, grief, it is verb. टू कॉज टू सफर दुख लागिबा दुख प्रकाश करिबा फील सरो संस्कृत टीचर वाज ग्रीव्ड संस्कृत टीचर एटा देखि करी ऑन सीइंग दिस दैट आई एंटर्ड द पर्शियन क्लास संस्कृत टीचर डिड नॉट टॉलरेट इट संस्कृत टीचर डिड नॉट एंड्योर इट एंड इट ग्रीव्ड हिम वेरी मच द संस्कृत टीचर वाज ग्रीव्ड He called me to his side. से मते तांको पाख को डाकिले. He called me to his side and said, तांको पाख को डाकिले मते कहिले, how can you forget that you are the son of a Vaishnava father? Oh boy, how can you forget? तुम्हें किंती इदा भूली गला जे you are the son of a Vaishnava father. तुम गोटे वैष्णव बापा वैष्णव फादर वैष्णव बापांकर तुम्हें हूँ जड़े पुओ एटा तुम्हें केमती भूलीगल वैष्णव फादर मीन्स व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय वैष्णव फादर यू नो एक्चुअली वैष्णव इज नॉट एन इंग्लिश वर्ड इट इज ए संस्कृत वर्ड सो द संस्कृत टीचर सेड that in his language perhaps in his language what I guess in his language से कहउचंती जे तुमे केमती भूली जाउछ गोटे वैष्णव बापार तुमे होउछ गोटे पुओ ओके वैष्णव मीन्स ए वर्शिपर ऑफ विष्णु फ्रॉम विष्णु वैष्णव वर्शिपर ऑफ ए वर्शिपर ऑफ विष्णु पूजक उपासक जे विष्णु देवता को पूजा करती ब्राह्मीण फैमिली रो ब्राह्मीण जातिर ए वर्शिपर ऑफ विष्णु इज कॉल्ड द वैष्णव ओके इट इज ए संस्कृत वर्ड वुड नॉट यू लर्न द लैंग्वेज ऑफ योर ओन रिलीजन एटा संस्कृत टीचर कहउचंती महात्मा गांधी को डाकिकरी तांको पाखकू महात्मा गांधी कॉल्ड मी टू हिज साइड एंड सेड कहले कौन कहले वुड नॉट यू लर्न द लैंग्वेज ऑफ योर ओन रिलीजन तुमर निज धर्मर भाषा लैंग्वेज माने भाषा तुम्हें निज धर्मर भाषा पढ़ा को तुमर कौन इच्छा ना वुड नॉट यू लर्न पढ़ब ना वुड नॉट यू लर्न माने शिखिबा पढ़ा जानिबा वुड नॉट यू लर्न द लैंग्वेज ऑफ योर ओन रिलीजन माने धर्म निज धर्मर भाषा तुम्हें कौन पढ़ब ना कि शिखिब ना कि इफ यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी तुमर जदि किसी कठिन जिनिस आसूची कष्ट होची एई सब्जेक्ट किसी डाउट होची इफ एनी डाउट अराइजेस इन रिलेशन टू लर्निंग संस्कृत पढ़ा पाई इफ यू हैव एनी डिफिकल्टी व्हाई नॉट कम टू मी मो पाखक कहीं आसुन That means Sanskrit teacher persuaded Gandhiji that you should take Sanskrit as a subject and you should read it, you should learn it, and if any difficulty arises in your mind in relation to the Sanskrit subjects, you come to me and clear your doubt. You may ask your any difficulty, you may ask your relating to Sanskrit subjects. You may ask me. Okay? But you should take Sanskrit as a subject. You should learn Sanskrit as a subject, as an optional subject. Okay? Would not you learn the language of your own religion? If you have any difficulty, why not come to me? I want to teach you students Sanskrit to the best of my ability. To the best of my ability means ମୁଁ ପ୍ରାଣପଣେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରେ प्राणपणे चेष्टा कर सबू एबिलिटी को लगई करी मोर जति सामर्थ्य अच्छी सबू को विनियोग करी यूटिलाइज करी मु छात्र मानू संस्कृत पढ़ाइबा पई चेष्टा करें एटा से कहले आई वांट टू टीच यू स्टूडेंट संस्कृत टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माय एबिलिटी to the best of my ability I want to teach my students Sanskrit. Okay, no, not a single student will remain that will say that Sanskrit is a difficult subject, because I make him understand clearly and the students will definitely understand the Sanskrit in his heart. This was a persuasion of Sanskrit teacher to Gandhiji. Gandhiji wrote in his biography, I want to teach you students Sanskrit to the best of my ability. As you proceed further, you will find in it thing of observing interest. As you proceed further, जदि संस्कृत को नहीं करी तुम्हें जदि आगो को पढ़िब, you shall read advance in Sanskrit, you shall read Sanskrit again and again, that means in your higher study also, then you can know, you will know that, you will find that थिंग्स ऑफ एब्जर्विंग इंटरेस्ट ये बहुत जिनस अच्छी इंटरेस्ट अच्छी आग्रह प्रकाश करिवार जिनस गुड़ाक अच्छी एब्जर्विंग इंटरेस्ट मीन्स डीप एब्जर्विंग मीन्स हियर एब्जर्विंग इज एन एडजेक्टिव वर्ड इट इज ए डीप और द कीन मीन्स एब्जर्विंग इंटरेस्ट और डीप इंटरेस्ट और कीन इंटरेस्ट ओके Observe also, this is one thing, ABS or RBS, observe, शोषी देवा, शोषण करिबा. That means, dry sand absorb water easily. Dry sand absorb water easily. Okay? This is the absorb knowledge. He is quite able to absorb knowledge from the class, from the books, from the computer, and from the device or your mobile phones. This is the absorb also. You should not lose heart. You should not lose heart. Then you should be encouraged. तुम्हें धैर्य धरिबा कथा. You should not lose heart. You should not lose patient. सीटा कहली महात्मा गांधी को संस्कृत टीचर बुझाउछंती तांको पाखको डाकी come and sit again in the Sanskrit class. Come. आस एंड सीट बस अगेन पुणी थरे इन संस्कृत क्लास. दैट मीन्स माय एडवाइज इज संस्कृत टीचर सेट माय एडवाइज इज यू मस्ट कम टू द संस्कृत क्लास, लीव द पर्शियन क्लास, कम टू द संस्कृत क्लास, sit here very comfortably, peacefully, and learn the lesson what your teacher teaches you. Okay? That he said, come and sit again in the Sanskrit class. Okay? Did you understand? Then the last paragraph of the lesson. Dear students, I hope you are looking at the book mindfully. Last paragraph I am reading like the previous paragraph, line by line. We shall explain it. This kindness put me to shame. ये जो kindness, this kindness, ये जो संस्कृत टीचर अंकर जो दया मो प्रति जो एडवाइस देले, that means Gandhiji was admitted. Gandhiji liked it. Gandhiji liked the advice. Gandhiji तांकर एडवाइस को लाइक कले बोली सिना से कहउचंती this kindness put me to shame. एटा मते लज्जा लागिला जे मो काहे की पार्शियन को गली. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Disregard means disrespect. Disregard means disrespect. अवमानना करिबा. You should not disrespect to the rules of the school. You should not disregard to the rules of the school. स्कूल रो नियम कानून को तुम्हें केवे भी डिसरिगार्ड करिबा उचित नुहे बा डिसरेस्पेक्ट करिबा उचित नुहे. You should not disregard or you should not disrespect to the advice of your teachers. So I say any difficult words you face in your studying, progress, you must use that particular word in a meaningful sentence for your clear understanding. Okay? Clearly understand करिबा पाई गोटे वर्ड को तुम्हें तार मीनिंग को मने न रखी मीनिंग को तो निश्चय मन रखिबा वी मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड देन टू increase our vocabulary power we should use that word in a meaningful sentence so that will come to our mind permanently. We cannot forget that word. आमे सेटा को भूली परिबा ना जदि आमे सेंटेंस रे यूज करिबा सिथि पई मु कहली you should not disrespect the rules of the schools. You should not disregard the rules of the school. Gandhiji said, I could not disregard my teacher's affection. शिक्षकंकर जो स्नेह भरा कथा या को मु केबे माने डिसरिगार्ड करि परिबि नाही. टुडे I cannot but thank with gratitude of Krishna Shankar Pandya. टुडे आज मु देखुछि से जो समय ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखुचंती से समय इट इज हिज फीलिंग दैट व्हेन ही इज राइटिंग हिज ऑटोबायोग्राफी गांधीजी इन हिज माय एक्सपेरिमेंट्स विथ ट्रूथ कहउचंती आई कैनॉट बट थैंक विथ ग्रैटिट्यूड तांको मु ग्रैटिट्यूड माने कृतज्ञता जणाई मु तांको धन्यवाद दउछि काहाकू कृष्ण शंकर पांड्या. सो यू नो नाउ द नेम ऑफ द संस्कृत टीचर वाज कृष्ण शंकर पांड्या. You know, Krishna Shankar Pandya was the name of the Sanskrit teacher. For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit that I learnt then, for if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit, एतिके जदि Sanskrit knowledge मु जदि acquire करि न थान्ते, acquire means earn, to come into possession. Words are written, all the words are written on the screen. You can write it in your English copy and understand the word. Okay? For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit that I learnt then, सेते बेले जदि मु शिखि न थान्ते संस्कृत विषयटा को I should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books. मु डिफिकल्टी पाई थांती सेक्रेड बुक्स मानन को पढ़िबा पाई होली बुक्स मानन को पढ़ी पवित्र ग्रंथ मानन को पढ़ी ताको अध्ययन करिबारे मते असुविधा होई थांता जदि संस्कृत को मु भल भाबे पढ़ी न थांते. सेति पई आई ऑफर ए बिग थैंक टू कृष्ण शंकर पांड्या द ऑनरेबल संस्कृत टीचर. Acquire means, I say you that to come into possession, निजर करिबा कोटे कौन से गोटे जिनस निजर करिबा दैट इज acquire. Earn, you can also earn. आमे कौन सब acquire करू. I tell you that you must use the difficult words in a meaningful sentence. आमे कौन acquire करू. Acquire property. Today's people are very interested to acquire property. Acquire property. धन उपार्जन करिबा पई धन अर्जन करिबा पई आजिकाल लोके व्यस्त. I am interested to acquire fluency in English. I am very interested. I have a keen desire to acquire fluency in English. Fluency in English रे मु acquire करिबा को चाहे. Acquire some country's citizenship. कौन सी गोटे कंट्री रो सिटीजनशिप नागरिकता ग्रहण करिबा that is acquire citizenship of any country. Acquire American citizenship. Acquire Indian citizenship. Acquire knowledge. My children wants to acquire knowledge about the drawing and painting. Drawing and painting, acquire knowledge. Okay, then acquire bad habit also. Bad habit also acquire bad habit. A bad habit is easily acquired. A bad habit is easily acquired. खराब अभ्यास को जल्दी जड़े ग्रहण करी नहीं जाए. Okay, but it is difficult to pick up a good habit. Okay, yes. So this kindness put me to shame. I could not disregard my teacher's affection. Today I cannot but thank with gratitude of Krishna Shankar Pandya. For if I had not acquired the little Sanskrit, ମୁଁ ଯଦି ସଂସ୍କୃତ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଅର୍ଜନ କରିନଥାନ୍ତି, if I had not acquired the knowledge of Sanskrit, I learned then, ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ ଯେଉଁ ଶିଖିଥିଲି, I should have found it difficult to take any interest. ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ ହୋଇଥାନ୍ତା ଏଇ ସେକ୍ରେଟ୍ ବୁକ୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. ସେକ୍ରେଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ SACRED. ସେକ୍ରେଟ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ହୋଲି. होली पवित्र पुण्य अर्थ रे व्यवहार करा जाए सेक्रेट को. यू नो, सेक्रेट इमेज ऑफ लॉर्ड हनुमान. द सेक्रेट इमेज ऑफ लॉर्ड हनुमान. लॉर्ड इट यूज करा जाए. यू शुड यूज इट. सेक्रेट, पवित्र. इट इज आवर सेक्रेट ड्यूटी टू honor our parents. It is our, you may write it in your English copy also, sentence, make sentences using the word sacred. We should, it is our sacred duty to honor our parents, to honor our teachers. Sacred books, what are the sacred books? What are the sacred books? The Ramayana, Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran. These are the sacred books or sacred epics. Okay, so you should use it in meaningful sentence. Yes, it's difficult to take any interest in the sacred books. I should have found it difficult to take any interest in our sacred books. In fact, I deeply regret that. In fact means satari. Indeed, really, actually, I deeply regret. Regret माने grief. GRIEV, grief. आगुरु आमे लिखी छूं. That is also you can read grief. You have learned it. Regret माने दुख प्रकाश करे. Regret, regretted. This is a regular verb. दुख प्रकाश करिबा. I deeply regret that. In fact, I deeply regret that I was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of the language. मते एटा एबे भी मते दुख लागुछि. एबे भी से ग्रोन अप समय जो समय he was writing his autobiography, my experiments with truth, महात्मा गांधी admitted that एबे भी मते दुख लागुछि. Now also I regretted that I was not able to acquire. ए जगह रे acquire लिखा है. देखो acquire को व्यवहार कराई गोटे सेंटेंस कराई. I was not able to acquire a more thorough knowledge of the language. Thorough knowledge language विषय रे मु माने acquire कले नहीं. knowledge को एक्वायर कले नहीं. संस्कृत भाषार थोरो नॉलेज माने डिटेल नॉलेज को मु ग्रहण कली नहीं. ग्रहण करि पारि नथिली छात्र जीवन रे. दैट इज वन ऑफ माय रिग्रेट. ओके, ए मोर थोरो नॉलेज ऑफ द लैंग्वेज. यस, इन दिस paragraph, it was the last paragraph for you. Okay, then you should explain the question answer until, and that means when and where your question answer is not completed, your lesson is also not completed. Mind it, my dear students. प्रश्न उत्तर करिवाटा परीक्षा रे पढ़िबा भलिया प्रश्न उत्तर करिवाटा होछि निश्चित भाव रे भलो जिंस एटा. सो at the high school is an extract from the autobiography My Experiment with Truth by Mahatma Gandhi. ए जगह गोटे क्वेश्चन अच्छी व्हाट इज बायोग्राफी एंड व्हाट इज ऑटोबायोग्राफी. बायोग्राफी मीन्स written history of a person's life. Autobiography means biography of a person written by the same person. Okay, there are also several questions. Most of the important questions ताको कहा जाउछि ये जगह अच्छी व्हाट इज ए बायोग्राफी, व्हाट इज एन ऑटोबायोग्राफी एट पेज 33 नंबर 1. Okay, did his teachers like him? अच्छा, did his teachers like him? His means Gandhiji. Did Gandhiji's teachers like him? Yes, all teachers liked him very much. This is the answer. Very simple. जो मैंने बुझीच पिला पाठ को जो मैंने बुझीच आंसर करवाटा बहुत सहज. Very easy to answer to the questions. Okay. What sorts of certificates were sent to his parents? क्यों प्रकार सर्टिफिकेट गांधीजी पेरेंट्स पाखक पठा जाउथिला? सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ प्रोग्रेस एंड कैरेक्टर. दैट मीन्स टीचर सेंड, स्कूल सेंड द सर्टिफिकेट्स ऑफ प्रोग्रेस एंड कैरेक्टर. व्हेन डिड ही विन प्राइजेस? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस. व्हेन डिड, राइट इट, यू मे राइट इट इन योर इंग्लिश कॉपी. व्हेन डिड ही विन प्राइजेस? प्राइजेस केतेबेले पाइथिले? He won prizes after he passed out the second standard. After he passed out the second standard, he won prizes. Which standards did he get scholarship in? Scholarship क्यों standard रे पाई थिले? क्यों standard रे scholarship पाई थिले? गांधी जी got scholarship in 5th and 6th standard. 5th standard, 6th standard. What were the amounts of these scholarships? Scholarships ର amount केते थिला? In 5th he got RS4, that means rupees 4. And in 6th he got the scholarship rupees 10. पंचम श्रेणी रे 4 टंका, दशम एवं षष्ठ श्रेणी रे 10 टंका स्कॉलरशिप पाई थिले. हु डिड ही थैंक मोर फॉर हिज स्कॉलरशिप, हिमसेल्फ और हिज गुड लक? माने काकू से बेसी धन्यवाद देथिले स्कॉलरशिप पाइबा पई, तांगर गुड लक को कि निजकू? हिमसेल्फ. आंसर हिज गुड लक, हिज गुड लक. ओके, देन व्हाट वाज ही वेरी मच केयरफुल अबाउट? क्यों विषय बेसी केयरफुल से थिले? जेलस रिगार्डेड हिज कैरेक्टर. जेलस रिगार्डेड कैरेक्टर विषय बेसी केयरफुल से थिले. गांधीजी पिलाए गांधीजी निजे मध्य कहिसंती एजुकेशन विदाउट कैरेक्टर इज यूजलेस एंड डेंजरस. माने चरित्र विहीन शिक्षा निरर्थक एवं विपदपूर्ण मध्य. कैरेक्टर विदाउट कैरेक्टर, एजुकेशन विदाउट कैरेक्टर इज यूजलेस एंड डेंजरस. महात्मा गांधी कहिसंती. ओके, देन हाउ डिड ही रिएक्ट व्हेन ही ब्लेम्ड? जेतेबेले भी तांको ब्लेम करा जाउथला, दोषारोप करा जाउथला, किपरि भाबरे से ताको रिएक्ट करूथिले, प्रतिक्रिया प्रदर्शन करूथिले? ही ड्रू टीयर्स फ्रॉम हिज आइज. शॉर्ट रे मु कहूची पिला, टिके शॉर्ट रे कहा जाउची, एटा ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चन आसीबा. ब्लेम को किपरि रिएक्ट करूथिले? ही ड्रू टीयर्स फ्रॉम हिज आइज. आखिरु लुह झरी जाउथला, माने कांदुथिले. ओके, यस. व्हाट वाज मोर इंपोर्टेंट फॉर गांधी, विनिंग प्राइजेस और बिल्डिंग कैरेक्टर? गांधीजी को पाई कोटा बेसी इंपोर्टेंट थिला, विनिंग प्राइजेस थिला कि बिल्डिंग कैरेक्टर थिला? आंसर बिल्डिंग कैरेक्टर. बिल्डिंग कैरेक्टर बॉय जदि अच्छी अंडरलाइन इट. बिल्डिंग कैरेक्टर विथ ए पेंसिल यू कैन अंडरलाइन इट. ओके, व्हेयर डिड ही गेट फिजिकल पनिशमेंट और कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट? फिजिकल पनिशमेंट, कॉर्पोरल पनिशमेंट से कहीं पाई थिले? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ओन मिस्टेक. बिकॉज ऑफ हिज ओन मिस्टेक, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज committed in the school निज भूल पाइथिले. Who was the headmaster? Who was the headmaster? Dorabji Adalji Jimmy. Dorabji Adalji Jimmy was the headmaster. Who was the Sanskrit teacher? Krishna Shankar Pandya was the Sanskrit teacher. So do you understand? आमे जहाँ पढ़ीचु पिला पूरा क्लीयरली पढ़ीचु. क्लीयरली या को पढ़ीचु. क्वेश्चन आंसर करवा बहुत सहज. वेरी इजी टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. एटा पढ़े परीक्षा रे. ओके. Where was he popular? Where was he? ये जगह कह was he popular माने कि कृष्ण शंकर आम कह जाऊँगी हेडमास्टर को. हेडमास्टर को कह जाऊँगी. दोराबजी अडलजी जिमी was दोराबजी अडलजी जिमी was दोराबजी अडलजी जिमी पॉपुलर थिले कि हुआ जदि थिले कहीं कि थिले. यस दोराबजी अडलजी जिमी the headmasters of the school was very popular among the students because he was a disciplinarian. He was a disciplinarian, strict person. He loved the administration very much. Okay. तापर लिखा है what was made compulsory for upper standard boys. upper standard boys मानक पई कोन बाध्यतामूलक करा जाइथिला. कंपलसरी करा जाइथिला कोन upper standard पई कोन. What was made compulsory for upper standard boys? Answer gymnastics and cricket. Gymnastics and cricket was made compulsory for upper standard boys. Okay, by the headmaster. I disliked both. What does both refer to? ये जगह रे I disliked both लिखा है. both underline देई थेबो परीक्षा रे. What does both refer to? अर्थ है both कहले एटा कोन बुझा जाउछि. both कहले कोन बुझा जाउछि. both means both refer to gymnastics and cricket. What false idea did Gandhi have about games? What false idea did Gandhiji have about games? कौन false idea थिला माने wrong notion थिला गांधीजी करो games विषय रे. Games has not any relation with education. Games has no any relation with the education. That means games and sports and education are two different things, two separate things. There is no relation of games and sports with the education. This was a wrong notion or this was a false idea of Gandhiji. Okay, this much. Then you shall also do the another so many questions are there in the books. We shall discuss it in our coming class. In our next class we shall discuss all the question answer. पिलाए तुम जानी गोटे जिनस जे क्वेश्चन आंसर को कर कहीं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कले नॉलेज बढ़े. फर्स्ट थिंग्स वी हैव टू इंक्रीज आवर नॉलेज. सेकंड थिंग वी हैव टू राइट द आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दोज आर आस्क्ड बाय द एग्जामिनेशन. एग्जामिनेशन रे जो प्रश्न पड़ुची तार उत्तर आम लिखिपर. एक्वायर नॉलेज करवा. इंग्लिश रे आम इम्प्रूवमेंट करवा. फ्लुएंसी बढ़ाइबा. वोकाबुलारी पावर ग्रामर नॉलेज ये सब को आम रखा. ओके, थैंक यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड you should also wait to our next class. We shall teach you. Okay, yes, thank you very much.